I guess, should I say? I guess so. Woo! I'm telling you, it was a rough one. What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. Today is another day in the life of a movie animator. Working on movies, TV shows, commercials, video games, VR games, theme park rides, and that's about it. I'm a little tired. Last night was a late one. Actually, all these nights were a late one. Pretty much 12, 1 o'clock every single night. I blame my wife. Okay. Yes, that's it. Yes, I blame her. She was like, you know, babe, stay up. Please hold me.
Words never spoken.
Clearly lies. So yeah, I'm just tired a little bit. But yo, currently I'm working on something. Something in the works, and it ain't gonna come out into, I mean, it tends to be like, you know, when you're working on something, it doesn't come out, you know, a year or two later. So I'm working on something, not gonna tell you what it is because NDA, and I signed it and I was like, yeah, I ain't saying nothing, y'all, but I work on stuff like that. I work on stuff like that, and yeah, I'm working on it right now. It's fun, it's exciting. If you guys are aspiring animator looking to break into the industry and you got any questions, make sure you comment down below so I can answer your questions and give you some advice how to break into the industry. You know, break into the industry. Break into the industry. So, I guess, should I say? I guess so. I guess also it's my last day at, you know, this current company that I'm at. This is my last day of work right now too. So if you guys don't know, you know, I'm go from contract to contract, and I think it's the best solution for me specifically because I get to have experiences at multiple studios, and also you have a pretty decent rate as well. So today's my last day at the studio. It's a little sad, but also this studio that I've been at is the most diverse team I've ever been a part of. The most diverse team, and I've been on some teams. This is the most diverse, funniest team that I've been on as well. These guys are hilarious. These guys and girls are hilarious. And then this is the first company that I ever seen a black girl animator up in this boy. Yo, that's dear to my heart, and also my daughter, you know, to see for her when she gets older, to see that there's other black animators out in the streets, you know, doing the thing. I'm happy about that. I'm excited about that. And it's been great working with this company, and you know, it's sad to go at this point, but you know, on to the next journey. So let's get into it. Sizzle, put your hand down. What you doing?
Dang, about to put your face
I know. Sizzle, what you trying to do? Why you trying to lick the plate? She actually did get her face in it.
Give me this. Now you the one who didn't want to eat no milk. Now you trying to eat my food.
So yeah, guys, this is my last day at work. It makes me think a little bit, not gonna lie. It makes me think about my family and kind of like everything that we've been doing and how I pretty much got here. With the help and support of my wife. Allow me to reach my dream, allow me to reach my goal and all those different things, and work on movies and TV shows and commercials and exciting stuff, you know, all the hard work that you paid off for school, and it finally pays off, and you know, you get that animation job, and yeah. So I've been in the industry for a little over 5 years, a little over 6 years actually. And just start to think and reflect a little bit. Thinking about my first time coming out to Los Angeles, me and my wife decided to do a vacation in the middle of February from Ohio, coming out to Los Angeles, checking out different studios, getting a ton of rejections. and then getting some encouragement here and there as well. I actually sat down with one company, and so I am grateful for that, and they told me what I needed to do. But there was this one company that I definitely have in mind that rejected me hardcore. I've been checking out different animation studios, some positive, some on the negative side, but I think overall it's been a positive vibe. You know, the last one I just came to, I'm telling you, it was a rough one. It was a rough one. I felt almost like an ant, but you know what? I conquered it. I overcame it. I didn't fly off the handle or anything, but I was professional. I was like, thank you for the opportunity. Bye-bye. So, I think right now I feel pretty good about myself. Still confident. Some studios liked the tenacity inside of me visiting and pretty much getting back to the olden days, but because nobody does that anymore. We don't have time for that. You know, just doing what we do. And this is the way that I know to do it, you know. So I'm gonna keep searching for different opportunities. Never fail, never stop, never quit. No matter how hard I get knocked down, don't stop. Get it, whoop whoop. So I'm gonna get it and get after it as well. Yo, that was embarrassing. Not gonna lie, getting those different rejections, it was hard, but definitely and thankfully that my character was stronger than my feelings. That's something that I can be proud of, and that's something I can be happy about. And I guess I can make this announcement as well. Is I think I'm going to try to go after YouTube, guys. I'm just going to say it here first and foremost. I'm going to try this YouTube thing out and see if it works. And I'm going to bet on myself in this process. I've been betting on myself this whole time. I've been betting on myself throughout foster care, high school, through college, getting in the industry, and I'm going to continue to bet on myself. So I'm going to try this YouTube thing out and see if it works. And if it doesn't, you know, I always got animation to fall back on, you know. So, and I know most people don't, so you know, I'm not taking that lightly, but I'm going to take the same intensity that I've continued to have with animation and transition that into YouTube, content creation, create my own business, create my own thing. And I just want to see where it goes from here. So I hope you guys stay on this journey with me. I hope you guys, you know, continue to support, comment, and like and subscribe. And I think that's all I got. So thank you guys for watching this video. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.